So when it comes to food, of course, we have to find a restaurant. So we can ask, wo ist ein Restaurant? The German language uses the word restaurant, but it's pronounced the French way. Restaurant. Wo ist ein Restaurant? Ask again. Wo ist ein Restaurant? Very good. And once we have found the restaurant, we need to find out about the food. This can be very tricky, of course, because we have no idea what they offer in the foreign country. And then we have to ask for a drink, and then we need to pay. So if you are a vegetarian, for example, you can ask, do you have vegetarian food? Haben Sie vegetarisches Essen? Essen ist food, und vegetarisch is the German pronunciation of vegetarian, so that's easy. So try again. Haben Sie vegetarisches Essen? One more time, more natural. Haben Sie vegetarisches Essen? This sentence, haben Sie, do you have, you can always use and add the noun of your choice. So, and now we need to get a drink. So you can ask, can I have water, please? For example, kann ich Wasser haben? So the German language, if you say, can I have something, we would say, kann ich, and then you put the noun inside and then you add the word at the end, haben. Kann ich Wasser haben? Say that again, please. Kann ich Wasser haben? If you want a beer, the German word is Bier, sounds very similar. Kann ich Bier haben? Say again. Kann ich Bier haben? The waitress in Germany sometimes is very, very busy, so we have to call her when we want to pay. So we do that by saying, bezahlen bitte. Bezahlen means to pay, and bitte means please. So you say, bezahlen bitte. Can I pay, please? Bezahlen. Bezahlen. Bitte. Bezahlen bitte. And then you ask the price, how much it costs. You know that already. Was kostet das? Perfect. And then if you want, after you have paid and maybe you give a little tip, you say thank you. Danke. Perfect. Danke. I say thank you to you guys now. You followed my little series of useful and very simple travel phrases. If you want to go into deeper detail about this, check out my website. I link it down below. And otherwise, we will see in the next video series. Take care and enjoy your trip. Bye-bye. If you like my classes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There is also a bell icon. If you click that bell, you will be notified each time I post a new mini lesson.